Yo, what's up, family? It's me, Gabbyproscra, back again with another video on this channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your photo using Photoshop Action. So not to waste so much time, let's get straight to it since I don't have enough time. So the first thing you gotta do is, as you can see, I already installed my Action. So what you have to do is just click and play like it's written. It's already written for you, so click and play. And as you can see, the textures, everything, skin retouch has come. So now all we have to do is just start brushing. You don't need so many things. In case you're not having the Action, I will leave the link in the description so that you can be able to go and download it for free. I'm giving it out for free. So as you can see, I'm brushing my skin. So quick, easy and fast. As you can see, before, after. Yeah, that's the way you do it. Then the second thing you can do, make a copy of the background, select the skin retouch and merge them together. Now we have a skin retouch and the original. So and last thing you have to do is come to camera raw filter, go to details, then add the luminance a little bit and add the amount a little bit. Then you can see a shining face. You understand what I'm saying? So we have before and after. Make sure you hit that subscription button if this video has given you some knowledge, and subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, see you on the next video.